I love myself for who I am. I am calm and relaxed. Calmness washes over me with every deep breath I take. I am slowly and deeply inhaling calmness. I effortlessly exhale all stress and anxiety. I choose to let go of all my worries and fears. I only think calming, happy thoughts. I am calm and relaxed in all situations. I am focused on being calm and centered. Feeling relaxed is my normal state. My muscles and my mind are relaxed. Every cell in my body is relaxed and alive. Every day, I feel my positive energy increasing. I now release negativity from my world. I am the architect of my own mind. I choose to embrace joyful thoughts. I am in control of my life and choose to feel peaceful. I find strength, love, and inner peace inside myself. My body and mind feel calm and peaceful. I enjoy peace of mind. I now make the right decisions with ease every time. I choose to see challenges as opportunities. I approach situations with hope and positivity. I remain calm regardless of the situation. I am perfectly equipped to handle any situation with ease. I am proud to be able to keep all situations in perspective. I give myself credit every time I do something that makes me happy. I love taking care of myself. I am so grateful to be happy, calm, and free from worry. I am a good person who deserves a peaceful, happy, and healthy life. I lovingly forgive and let go of the past. I am a positive person who attracts positive things into my life. I visualize happy outcomes in all areas of my life. Every day, in every way, good things continually happen to me. I am honestly doing the best I can, and it's more than good enough. I have everything I need for a wonderful life. I am so grateful for all the good in my life. Everything works out for me perfectly. All is well. Thanks for watching Affirmations Central on YouTube. For more life-changing affirmations, be sure to check out our growing playlists. And remember to hit subscribe and the notification bell so you don't miss a thing.